All right, so I just wanted to take a minute to go through this practice with you guys just to show you an example of how to do today's work. So today we're going to actually be reviewing a ton of things: slope, counting slope, x and y intercept, graphing, and also just a little sneak peek into equations for linear for lines. So I'm going to actually embed this video into slide 2. So this slide so you can watch it, but I wanted to go over this as an example just to make sure that you're all set and you know what the instructions are. So I'm going to give you 2 points. And the first thing that I want you to do is find the slope in 2 different ways. The first way is to graph and count the slope. So you're going to plot these 2 points on the graph. So our first point, I don't know why it's not letting me get it. Come on. Okay, I think I got it. What is happening now? Okay. My computer's being there we go. Okay. So the first point is at 6, 4. So I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 4. All right, so I placed my first point. Now we need to place our second point, 3, 0. So that means we're going to go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 0. All right, so now I have my 2 points on the graph. I want to count.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tuesday all day long.
All right, so we have the 2 points plotted, and now we're going to use the counting method. So I'm going to grab this pen to show you. Counting, remember, slope is up over over. And so from this point, we go up 1, 2, 3, 4. So our top number is 4. And we went up, so it's positive, and over 1, 2, 3. So we have a slope of 4, I'm hoping that this is going to work, over 3. My computer seems to have a delay. So we've graphed and counted the slope, and we know that it has a slope of 4/3. All right, the next thing that we need to do is use the slope formula. So the slope formula, we have our x, y, x, y. And the slope formula, as you may remember, is y minus y. So I'm going to do 4 minus 0, and you'll type those in, but I just didn't right then, over x minus x, which will be 6 minus 3. And I typed those in, so I'm hoping they'll actually appear. And this one should be 6. All right, so you see our x minus x on the bottom, y minus y on the top. And now you're going to actually do that math. So we have 4 minus 0 is 4. And on the bottom, we have 6 minus 3 is 3. And you can see that our slopes match, which is good. That's what we wanted, a slope of 4/3. I want you to draw a line that connects these points. So I'm going to go grab my line tool from up here. I have it set on arrow, which is fine. And I'm going to draw a line that passes through my 2 points. And I might have to actually adjust it. You can see it ended up missing the second point. So I'm just going to kind of adjust it so it does pass through both points and put an arrow on both sides. All right, so there's my line that passes through the points 6, 4, and 3, 0, and has a slope of positive 4/3. You can tell it's positive because it's going uphill. The next thing we need to do is find the x and y intercept. So I'm going to grab my red point and look along my x-axis for where the line intersects or crosses.